I know that there have been a lot of questions about this, so I thought I'd just do a quick video and show you kind of how to use that feature and why it is so awesome. So I have the Rivier Dress pattern pulled up in Adobe Acrobat. And so this is what you would see normally. And let's scroll down to the pattern pieces. All right, so now we're at the pattern pieces. And if you notice, there's a lot of lines. You know, it could be pretty confusing, especially in this area. So what you want to do is you want to go to the left side of your screen and you want to click this icon that looks like sheets of paper stacked up. That is your layers section. So this says that, you know, the Rivier Dress pattern pieces, that has layers. So if we click that, now it shows little eyeballs next to each size. And the eyeballs mean that the layer is visible. So let's start clicking, let's do size 9. So we'll leave that one on. And if you notice, all of the layers are disappearing except just the size 9. And then I always have an information or an info layer. You'll want to keep that one on because if you turn it off, all of your markings, anything like that, any important information is on that information layer and you want to keep it on. And so now you only have the one layer. And I think it's pretty awesome to see. So sometimes, you know, the information layer will go beyond the pattern piece. That's fine. Just cut along the lines of your pattern piece and it'll still show the grain line. And that's it. That is how you use layers. And then you can print it like normal and only your layer will show up. Thanks, guys.